Yeah, Rexy's in a special dress here for a special occasion. We are at Petit Le Mans, coming here into the last IMSA race of the season, one of our season highlights. Everyone who knows the United States knows that the Halloween is quite big here, so we thought it would be a great idea to celebrate that with a special livery. Rexy is a bit scarier than before. We have a skeleton livery in all black and all white, so I think it looks really cool. Hopefully it scares off some enemies on track.